Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring MelodySusie. This is the Fleurwee Gel Nail Polish Gift Box. Before we get into the box, I just wanted to let you know that these polishes are HEMA free, HPMA free, TPO free, and 21 non-toxic. Also nano grinding technology and plant-based. So this is the Urban Chic collection. First of all, let's look at how pretty the box is. I mean, this box is absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely be keeping this box. It is a beautiful, beautiful box. And then here is what it says on the back. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So first of all, you have this cute little card, MelodySusie Fleurwee. And then it has details on the back. Thanks for choosing MelodySusie. This gift box contains Fleurwee gel nail polishes, a brush set, and then also it has a cute little vase and dried flowers. Congratulations on acquiring this limited edition Fleurwee gift. With this exquisite collection, we celebrate your passion for nature and beauty. Enjoy it. And then it has a QR code that you can scan for more surprise gifts. So isn't this cute? These bottles, oh my gosh, I love these bottles. They remind me of like my aunt's china sets or my grandma's china sets. It just feels so nice and homey to me. It's just bringing me memories of my childhood. I love these bottles. These bottles are absolutely gorgeous. So I did want to mention that even though there is a P and then a number after it, they actually did name each color after a flower. So for example, P14 is gardenia white. P11 is sunshine peony. P29 is red rose. And P03 is black rose. So let's go ahead and get them out of the box. And we can't forget our cute little vase to put our dried flowers in. That is just the cutest touch. I love that so much. That will definitely be up in my nail room. Okay, so now the second row, it says unlock this layer to enjoy the gift of Fleurwee. And we have stickers. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at these stickers. They are so pretty. And then these are lace. These are so pretty. Look at how pretty those are. Lace and flowers. I love that. And then here is our little dried flowers that we're going to stick in our vase. Look at how adorable that is. That is so cute. I love this so much. And then we have the brushes, MelodySusie Nail Art Brush Set. And this is what the back of the box looks like. It tells you how to use the brushes and how to clean your brushes, which I really appreciate that. These brushes are so cute. I love these colors of these brushes. So it comes with 6 brushes. 2 of the brushes have dotting tools, which I love dotting tools. So 2 of the brushes have dotting tools. So the brushes that have the dotting tools is the square gel brush. It's a very nice brush. It's very nice. And then also this little tiny liner detail brush. That's very nice. And then it looks like we have a longer striping brush. And then a rounded gel brush. An angled brush. And then a 3D brush. Beautiful. Beautiful brushes. So the first color we're going to swatch is P03, which is black rose. And each of these colors, they have a floral smell. I don't know for sure what black rose smells like, but like red rose smells like roses. the Sunshine Peony, it smells like peonies, and then the white the gardenia white, it smells like gardenias. But it's not an overpowering smell. It's a very nice, subtle smell. This is a very nice black. It's a little thin, but I'm sure with 2 coats, you'll get full coverage. I like the brush. It's nice and rounded. It's a nice black. It's a very nice black. Now we're going in with P29, which is Red Rose. This one definitely smells like roses. And like I said, it's not a strong smell. I'm one that gets migraines very easily from smells. It is not a strong smell. It's just a nice, subtle smell. Ooh, that's a beautiful red. Oh, I love that red. Very nice coverage. Again, we will be doing 2 coats. That's a beautiful red. I love that red. That is so pretty. Valentine's Day. Perfect. Love that red. And now we're going in with P11, which is Sunshine Peony. This pink, I've heard so many people talk about this pink. I was so curious about this pink. I've actually, before MelodySusie contacted me, I actually went on their site and made quite a few purchases. First, I bought quite a few of the different colors, just single, and then I went and I did go back and I did purchase one of the sets. This pink is gorgeous, and I know I'm going to have 2 because I purchased this color separately also. This is a beautiful color. It's a little sheer, but with 2 coats, it will be just fine. There's like very, very fine glitter in here. Very fine gold glitter. That is so pretty. And then the last color is P14, which is Gardenia White. The polishes are going on very smoothly. I like their consistency. I like the brushes. This white is beautiful. This is very pigmented. This white is very, very pigmented. You could do 1 coat all day long with this white. This is perfect. That is a beautiful, beautiful white. So now we're going to go in with a second coat. They do self-level beautifully. Okay, so for me, if I wanted to get full coverage to where you couldn't see through it, I would go for 3 thin coats. But that's a good idea to do with black anyways, thin coats, because black is a hard one. But this is actually really nice coverage. I can just see through a little bit right there at the top, but this is a beautiful black. So we might go ahead and do 3 coats on that one. Let me go ahead and just cure that. Red Rose, it has very, very nice coverage. If you wanted to do 1 coat with Red Rose, you could probably get away with it. We're gonna go ahead and do 2, but this is a beautiful red. 2 coats will definitely give you that full coverage. Let's go back to the black. Okay, this is gonna be the 3rd coat on the black, and the only reason why I'm gonna do 3 coats is because I can see just a little bit shining through. Three coats definitely will give you that full coverage that you're looking for. That is beautiful. Look at that black. And now we're going to go in with the second coat of P11 Sunshine Peony. And this pink is gorgeous. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink. You could wear it with just 1 coat if you just wanted just the slightest touch of color. Or you could go with 2 coats. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful, oh my gosh. Look at 2 coats. I love this pink. This pink. This is gonna be one of my favorite pinks. Definitely. I am so happy I have 2 bottles. This is a beautiful, beautiful pink. Oh my gosh. Look at that pink. That is so pretty. I am loving that pink. I can't say it enough. I am loving that pink. And now we're going to go in with a second coat of Gardenia White, which is P14. It really does not need a second coat. It literally does not need a second coat, but just for the video, we're going to go ahead and do a second coat. As I said before, I love the consistency of these polishes. I love these brushes. These are really nice brushes. I love the brushes. They're so easy to work with. They're just gliding on like butter. And this white, I am loving this white. This is a gorgeous white. This is so pretty. So here are all 4 colors. On the black, I did do 3 coats and then 1 coat of a no-wipe top coat. And then on the other 3, I did 2 coats and then 1 coat of a no-wipe top coat. I am in love with this set. These are a staple that you're going to need in your collection. You can do so many different things with the colors in this collection. They're absolutely gorgeous. And the bottles are also 15 ml bottles. So you do get quite a bit in the bottle, and they are just so darn cute. Look at how cute those bottles are. So anyways, thank you so much, Melody Susie, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. I will leave all of Melody Susie's information in the description box. Let me know what you guys think about these colors. I will be coming back with another video and doing a design with them. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and have a wonderful day.